This shorts video is pretty catchy, but it made only $5. And this shorts video is also catchy, but this one made over $500. So what's the difference? Well, the first shorts video... In this video, I will show you how to copy and paste YouTube Shorts and earn $156 or $182 or $255 per video you copy and paste. Now, since YouTube itself is not the best way to monetize your YouTube Shorts, I will show you an additional way to make money and maximize your results with a simple 4-steps process that can help you make money with YouTube Shorts without making videos yourself and without showing your face. So first of all, we will talk about how to actually find the right short, then how to copy and paste and create those YouTube Shorts, then how to actually upload those YouTube Shorts and how to actually get views on those YouTube Shorts. And finally, I will show you how you can make money using and it has nothing to do with ad revenue. Now, by the way, the winner of the last $25 giveaway is Julian Monet. If you don't know, in every video, I'm randomly rewarding one of you that follows me on Instagram at IamDaveNick, and I'm giving away $25 in every video. So if you want to participate in the next one, just go over to Instagram and follow me at IamDaveNick, and I will announce the winner in the next video on this channel. Anyways, let's begin with the step-by-step tutorial. So first of all, look at this guy. He's a genius. According to Social Blade, this person is getting over 67 million views per month on their Shorts channel. And as you can see, the channel has been blowing up lately. I mean, according to Social Blade, he's making millions of dollars per year from ad revenue, but I'm not quite sure because once again, ad revenue from Shorts can be really low. And then you have another person right here that is getting over 100 million views per month, and they started just months ago with 2,000 subscribers, and now they're getting over 100,000 subscribers per month. That's over 3,000 subscribers per day, and over 3 million views per day on their Shorts videos. But you know what? Since these guys are not using the strategy which I'm about to share with you inside of this video, they're missing out on thousands of dollars they can potentially make with these views, because relying just on ad revenue on YouTube Shorts is not the best way to make money. There's a lot better ways to monetize your YouTube Shorts and make a lot more money. Now, if you open up any of their YouTube videos, you're gonna be able to see that these are just short stories, horror stories or horror facts, some bizarre facts or lists of different interesting things. And those short videos are getting over 100 million views per month. So how do you even make those videos without showing your face? Well, first of all, you will need to go over to a website called Listverse. This is over the listverse.com, and on here you can find pretty much the same type of content that Sebastian uses to get over 67 million views per month. So just go over to listverse.com, and this is gonna give you lots of different articles from which you can make those Shorts videos. So for example, you can go over to bizarre category right here, and you will have creepy mysteries and weird stuff. So let's say, for example, go to creepy section. That's gonna give us all of these different articles and lists from which we can make our Shorts video. For example, we have top 10 creepiest things found in attics, or top 10 cursed videos, and so on. Let's say, for example, I want to open up this one and make a Shorts video from this article right here, or from this list that says top 10 cursed videos. So as you can see, now we have number 10, number 9, 8, 7, 6, and so on and so forth. So what I can do right now is I can copy one by one each of these. So for example, the first one right here, I will copy this text, and then I will just go over to InVideo, which is a tool that basically creates those videos for you. And I will leave all of the resources in the description down below. So I would just sign up to InVideo, and I would select the vertical option right here. I would select text to video. I will choose the template. I will give a headline or the title of the video. So for example, I can say top 5 cursed videos, and now I will just paste the script in this box. So one by one, I will type in 5 different cursed videos that I got from listverse.com. So I will paste that inside of this box. I will change some words to make it unique. You know, I will find some synonyms, so I will just rewrite it in my own words. Then I will click next. I will wait until InVideo does the work for me, and I will have all of the scenes available on the screen right now. So they've just made a 32 seconds video for me, and this is a Shorts video which I can use. Now just keep in mind that since this is an AI tool which uses artificial intelligence to create those videos, it is not always accurate, and as you can see, it puts some random images. So I would definitely change this, because this image right here is definitely not creepy and it doesn't align with the actual title of the video. So I would remove this, and I would drop a new media which I can either find on Google, on Pexels.com, or any other creepy website. Find different media, find different images, and then I can drag and drop and upload them to my own video. Or also here on the left hand side, I can select different images. So for example, let's try to find something creepy. So I'll type in creepy right here, and maybe we do have some different images. If I can't find anything, once again, I would just go over to Pexels.com, which is a library of thousands of copyright-free images, and I'm sure I would be able to find something over there. And once you're done editing your video with InVideo, just click on download and share, and it will be onto your computer in a second. And now, how to upload and how to actually get views on YouTube with your YouTube Shorts. Well, first of all, go over to your YouTube channel, click select files, double click on that file, give it a nice title, give it a nice description, and optimize your video properly. Now, how do you you actually optimize your video properly in order to get views on YouTube? Well, what I personally prefer to do is I would use vidIQ, and this is an absolutely free tool, and I'll leave a link to it in the description down below. And basically with this tool, you can do a research, both keyword research and to see which videos are trending right now so you can replicate their success. So for example, if I go to vidIQ, I log into my account and I type in the keyword creepy in this box, that's gonna give me everything I need to know about that keyword right now. So for example, keyword creepy has a really high search volume, but the competition is also very high, while on the other side, creepypasta keyword has even bigger search volume, like 1.6 million people search for this on a regular basis, but the competition is super low. So I can use this keyword, for example. Or for example, cough on camera, over 376,000 people search for this on a regular basis. And here on the right hand side, it's also going to show me different videos that are trending right now, that are getting the most views. And these are all videos in my niche, and they're pretty similar to what I'm posting right now on YouTube. So I can either use some of these keywords in my title and description, or I can just go over to YouTube, type in my keyword in the search bar, for example, creepy. I will go to filter by this month, and also filter by view count. And that's gonna show me the top performing videos right now, this month, what is hot right now. And I can just open up some of those videos, for example, this one right here. And thanks to vidIQ, I will be able to see their tags here on the right hand side. So I will be able to see which tags they used in their videos, so I can copy that with one click of a button, and I can use those same tags in my own video. So I can just go back and I can paste them in this box where it says tags, and I can use same tags. And it's also going to give me recommendations, like vidIQ is going to give me recommendations of tags which I can use to rank higher in the search results and hopefully get more views. So I will, for example, add cursed videos, cursed video. I will refresh tags to see what else they got. So for example, this one, and this is really nice. Now I've optimized my video with different tags, but before I publish this, I need to add something in the description in order to make money, because as I said, we will not be relying on ads, but I want to show you different ways you can make money with your YouTube Shorts. And now how to make money with your YouTube Shorts. Now the difference between the first video that I showed you at the beginning of this video and the second video is that the first one was only relying on YouTube ad revenue, and so because of that, they were able to make only a couple of dollars, but the other video was relying on different monetization options, and so they were able to make a lot more money. And there are two different ways I can recommend you to monetize your YouTube Shorts, and this first one is something that I'm currently trying out, and I asked you in the previous video if you're interested to see my results with this first monetization option, but there were just not too many people that were interested. There were maybe like 4 or 5 people that commented, yes, I want to see that. So I thought like maybe you guys really don't want to see the results, or maybe you don't want me to make that step-by-step tutorial, so that's why I didn't do it. And the second monetization option is something that I've been using for a very long time. Now, the first monetization option that I want to show you is using print on demand. So you can use websites like teespring.com, which will allow you to upload your designs to different products and sell them. So you don't have to actually own any of these products. You literally just have to upload your designs and you can sell through YouTube. Whenever someone buys through your link, you will get a percentage of that sale, and you don't have to ship the product, you don't have to create anything, you don't have to have an inventory. You literally just need to put your link in the description of those Shorts videos and promote those products through your Shorts. Now, if you want to see my results with print on demand with faceless YouTube channels, and if you want to see a step-by-step tutorial, then just let me know in the comments down below and drop a like to this video, so I will know that enough people are actually interested in that. So if this video gets 5,000 likes and enough comments, I will make sure to do a step-by-step tutorial in some of the next videos, and I will reveal my results with print on demand. But otherwise, like, there's no point if no one is interested in that, because I only want to share content that you actually care about. And the second way you can monetize your YouTube Shorts is with affiliate marketing or CPA marketing, and CPA stands for cost per action, which means that in most of the cases you can refer people to some offer where they don't have to pay for anything. They literally just need to sign up and you will get paid. One of the great examples in this niche would be Audible affiliate program. This is from Amazon themselves. And if you refer someone to Audible, where they can get lots of different stories and different books, different ebooks and audiobooks, they just need to sign up for free. So for a free trial, you will get paid $5 whenever someone signs up for free. And you saw that those videos can get millions of views, and all of those people love hearing stories, right? Well, now you can have the link in the description where they can sign up and you will get paid $5 per person. And what's even better is that if they take some other options and they maybe sign up to a gold membership, now you will make $10 per person, so you can maximize your result and make even more money per person that you refer to Audible. You can also, for example, use F+. This is already fplus.com, and on here you can find lots of different CPA offers which you can promote and get paid a different amount of money. For example, this offer would pay you $13 per person you refer, this one $93 per person, $1, $30, 10 cents. It really depends which offer you choose. Just grab a referral link and put it in the description of those Shorts videos so you can actually make money. Or if you want to promote some different affiliate offers, just go over to digistore24.com, register for absolutely free, and whatever niche you're in, you will be able to find all sorts of different categories and products here on the left hand side, so you can grab your affiliate link with one click of a button and put it in the description of your Shorts videos.